Va que me niente.
No.
Va que me niente.
Background and action.
But this is not. Oh, okay.
Not good.
I think I just drive.
Okay.
Such a London, isn't he? His voice.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love English accent. Cuban!
Where is he?
He left. One right. Yeah.
Guys, off the road, please. Guys, stay there.
Hi there, here's today's Daily Fact. The action sequences in the Fast and Furious saga seem to be always more monumental, but a lot of them were actually not digitally created, including the scene in which cars are dropped out of a plane with parachutes. Unbelievable. Remember to click below to subscribe, and if you like my shirt, you can also get that in the description below.